Smile. Smile. Hey.
Forma mo yan.
Baby!
If you're happy and you know it, hooray!
Hooray!
Sabi niyo ba't may ibang tao?
Yes, dali!
Hooray! Ayan. Sabi niya, bakit kakaiba ginagawa nito? Clap daw! Natulala na. Sabi niya, ba't kakaiba yung nakikita ko sa video?
Nakaupo na ang bubuit.
Yan.
At kaupo na ang bubit na yan. At kaupo na ang bubit. Pakita mo to para
Excuse
makita
me.
ng tao yung
Excuse me.
tinitignan niya doon.
Yan, ganyan.
The Mother Goose Club! Yan, favorite niya. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Came the rain and the out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy
Nakikita na
bitsy
ng bata eh.
spider
Doon si Tate lang
went
eh.
up the spout again. Hihi! Ulit.
Informative eh. No? So, bilis ang learning nila. Genius na, genius. Upload ko sa YouTube. Like, para punta kay Ellen DeGeneres.
Atsu! Excuse me! Yan, favorite niya si If the Mouse. Si Teddy Bear. Mother Goose Club ka. In-upload lang.
Sino?
Mother Goose Club. YouTube.
It's so fun to come up with words that sound the
YouTube lang
same.
yan?
Ooh, I thought one. Let's take a look
Paano
at
ko may
this book.
dinownload mo?
Dinownload ko sa YouTube. Downloader.
They're right.
Kit ng bata.
Cook. Took.
Look.
Look. Book. Took. Cook.
They rhyme. Thanks. So what rhyme are you reading, Mary?
Hi!
Zami, talaga
Ano naman
titignan
yung bata?
ko.
Would you like to read along with me? Yeah. Great. Let's all do this together.
Yeah, favorite. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. Itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yun.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Tinatakpan mo daw siya.
Washed the spider out.
Oh, sayaw-sayaw na.
All the rain. Itsy bitsy spider went up.
Ayos ba yung upo mo, bebe? Ha? Ayos ba yung paa mo, na? Baka nakaano yung paa mo, ha?
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy
Inis.
spider went up the
Bye, baby.
again.
Sammy.
That looks like fun. It is.
Wow. Naiinis, naiinis.
Let's make up an itsy bitsy rhyme of our own. Yeah. It could be about a little yellow ladybug. The little yellow ladybug went up the water spout. She climbed to the top and turned her head out. She met the little spider and soon the two were friends. And the spider and the ladybug went down the spout again. That was great. Awesome.
Matutuwa si Mama.
Hi, Eve. Hi, Teddy.
Napanood ka ni Mama da.
I'm an itsy bitsy spider. And making up one of our own. That sounds like fun. Eve, do you remember what we sang the itsy bitsy spider?
Sammy. Talaga nang di mastorbo. Oh.
Patty cake,
Patty cake.
bakers,
Sammy.
bake
Huwag yung kamay mo.
Eh, Papa.
It's a little
Papa.
spider.
Oh,
Hi, Itsy Bitsy
sige,
Spider.
Papa.
Steve, that's a great idea. Let's sing a song, The Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Yeah. Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water
Oh,
spout.
tagal.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came
Tama-tama sa iyong una na yan, anak.
the rain.
Ang ganyan ka lang.
Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again.
Opi, bye-bye.
Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. What was that? Sounds like Jack. I bet he's in a shack. Let's go see.
This
is my very special magic shack.
May sarili ka ng TV, ba't naman nakagilid? Dapat doon, para hindi ka nakasal.
Great rhymes.
Oh,
Di
he does
abot
this
kasi
all the
kanina.
time. For today's magic show, I
Kala
will
mo
make rhymes.
tao na eh.
Watch closely here. From this hat, rhymes will appear.
Yan, hindi ka mahirapang
I'm fishing
nakagilid.
for our first rhyme. What do you think I might find? In I go, so let's take a look. What comes next is really big. You
Tagal na, bebe, ha?
I'm hooked on book.
Doon ka na ha!
Let's try this again. You can imagine that. Keep a close watch. Here comes a hat. Let's see what's next. What could rhyme with hat?
Ay,
Here comes
kinikilig.
now.
Tagal na din
This
na
time
panood
it's
eh.
a
Kahit inaantok na, oh.
bat.
Well, ganun.
Naantok siya eh. Sleepy. Baby, sleepy na. Inaantok na.
Right you are.
Inaantok
It's
na.
our friend
Nasandal na
Eve.
eh. Naman nakasandal.
Here's another good friend. Her name is...
Nahuhulog na yung mata mo na. Nahuhulog na yung mata ni baby.
Ay, nantok na. Wala na sa isip niya yun. Ayun, nagising.
Ayaw hinaharangan.
Hi, Mother Goose Club. We're making puppets for an Itsy Bitsy Spider game, and we wanted to share them with you. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the
Talagang pinapanood niya. Oh.
washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again.
Ayaw harangin.